Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to show you how to check the screen or top up the screen wash on a Toyota Estima or Previa. So you first want to start by opening the bonnet, which you do like this. You want to go to the driver's side, which is always going to be the right hand side because they only made right hand drive ones. And basically, if you go in through the driver's door and just below your ignition key, if you follow that down, there's a little handle here. If you just pull that, that will pop the bonnet. And then once the bonnet is popped, if you just look below the badge and slightly to the right, there's a little handle here that basically pushes up. And then once you push that up, you can lift the bonnet up. And then the bonnet stay is clipped up under the bonnet. And you just pull that downwards at that holder and then put it down here, and just above the headlight is where it rests. So obviously on these there's no engine under here because the engine is actually under the front seats, but to the left hand side you've got your screen wash. So this is where you top it up, and basically it just wants to fill in right to the top. So if you open that flap there and grab some screen wash, put it whatever you like in it really. And then I will stick a link to some stuff in the description down below if you want to buy some. And yeah, basically just top it up and try and get it in the hole and not everywhere like I just did. And then once it's full, that is it. There's literally no level on these, it just goes right to the top. So that is how to check and top up the screen wash on a Toyota Estima or Previa. If that has helped you, make sure you leave a like on the video, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.